Hi everyone. Welcome to 101. I am Austin. And today, we're going to talk about the fundamentals of investment. Investing involves putting money into assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate with the expectation of earning a profit over time. By investing wisely, you can increase your wealth and protect it from inflation. This helps secure your financial future, provide for retirement, or fund other important life goals. Compounding refers to earning returns on both your initial investment and the accumulated earnings over time. Starting to invest early allows your money more time to grow through compounding. Even small amounts invested over a long period can lead to significant wealth due to compounding. Don't wait. Start investing as soon as possible for a financially secure future. Diversification involves spreading your investments across various assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or commodities, as well as different sectors or industries. By diversifying, you reduce the impact of a single investment underperforming and protect yourself against market volatility. A well-diversified portfolio helps you manage risk and increase the potential for consistent returns. Investing can be complex, and seeking guidance from financial advisors or investment professionals is crucial. They can provide personalized advice based on your financial situation, risk tolerance, and goals. Expert insights can help you make informed decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and achieve your financial objectives efficiently. Professional advice can greatly enhance your investment journey. Thanks for joining us today. Please like and subscribe. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with that first investment. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on 101.